Stop wasting your hard-earned cash replacing perfectly good vehicle batteries when a failing alternator causes the main electrical problem. You can easily diagnose this common charging system failure in just a few minutes using a cheap digital hardware multimeter. Before firing the expensive parts cannon at your broken car, grab your testing meter and select 20 volts direct current. First, we must establish the baseline resting voltage of your car battery while the hot engine remains completely turned off. Pop the heavy hood to locate the battery terminals while ensuring they are perfectly clean and free of white corrosion. Take the red meter lead to the positive battery post and firmly press the black testing lead against the negative. A completely healthy and fully charged car battery should continuously display a clear reading showing exactly 12.6 volts. Now it is time to put your charging system to work by testing the actual electrical output during engine idle. Start your vehicle and let the cold engine idle normally for several moments so the electrical system can fully stabilize. Carefully place your multimeter leads right back onto the battery terminals, matching the red testing probe to the positive post. Look closely at the digital display screen on your multimeter to observe what the system voltage does during engine operation. A properly functioning alternator will immediately boost the electrical reading significantly higher than your initial baseline resting car battery test. You are specifically looking for a very steady number that remains consistently between 13.8 and 14.4. If the voltage reading slowly drops over time, your worn alternator is completely failing to produce a reliable electrical charge. Have a helper sit inside your vehicle and simultaneously activate every single high-draw electrical cabin accessory available right now. A strong alternator easily compensates for the massive load and maintains a constant voltage reading clearly staying above 13 volts.